So recording on. Cool, good to go. Alrighty, so Windsor Tower, Golf Pop Oscar, holding short, 1-2, ready to go.
Yep.
Windsor Tower, Golf Papa Oscar, holding short, 1-2, ready to go.
Golf Papa Oscar Tower from Alpha, clear takeoff, runway 12.
Golf Papa Oscar.
Golf Papa Oscar, clear takeoff, 1-2.
Golf Papa Oscar, clear takeoff, 1-2. Go for it, check the approach again, and we're going.
Very good. And when you're ready.
And full power and take off.
Okay.
And full power.
So RPM confirmed, airspeed's coming alive.
And nose back. And when we come up on 500 feet, I'll check the engine instruments. And there's about 500 feet, engine instruments green. Start a left turn, 15 degrees angle of bank.
Yep. So what airspeed are you going to climb out at?
70.
Alright. So let's reduce the angle of bank to 15 and reduce our airspeed to 70 using our pitch.
Use our pitch.
You can climb out at like 74, that's VY. That's a good one to climb out at. Okay, we're blowing at 90 degrees. Level the wings.
Blowing. 1600, so attitude, power.
And then you want to start your downwind.
Downwind. And start to level out about here.
That's good.
So on the downwind, I'm going to do my downwind checks, then I'm going to call the tower.
Yep, did you trim the plane?
Not quite yet. So right about there.
Now downwind check and then call the tower real quick.
So magnetos both, master on, circuit breakers in, lights is required, alternate air in, mixture rich, fuel selector both, fuel shut off in, autopilot off. Doors and seats and belts adjust.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so Windsor Tower, Golf Pop Oscar, inbound, 1-2, touch and go.
Left downwind, 1-2, touch and go.
Okay. Windsor Tower, Golf Pop Oscar, left downwind, 1-2, touch and go.
Golf Papa Oscar Tower, clear touch and go, runway 12.
Clear touch and go, 1-2. Golf Pop Oscar?
Just Golf Papa Oscar or clear touch and go, 1-2, Golf Papa Oscar.
Clear touch and go, 1-2, Golf Pop Oscar.
Okay, let's start bringing the power back. We're starting to get pretty far away from the runway here.
Yes.
1500 RPM. And keep your altitude to bleed off some airspeed.
And there's 1500.
Alright, keep your altitude. You're dropping altitude. Okay, you're under 110 knots. We're going to drop 1 notch of flap and start a 30 degree angle of bank towards base.
30 degrees angle of bank.
You can bleed off the rest of your airspeed, go for 70 and trim for it.
70.
That's good here for base. Alright, we're like 2 miles away from the airport because we took a little bit longer on our downwind. Good, just let it do the work, right? So if you trim for 70, she's not going to want to change from there. You don't have to worry about it anymore.
Start my final.
Little birds right there.
Or what?
Birds.
Oh, yep, seen.
Okay, looks like we're going to need to add some power here.
1700.
Yeah, 1800 will even do because we're a little bit far away, right?
1800.
Now you see the PAPI lights on the left side of the runway?
Yes.
2 yellow, or 2 white, 2 red. You know how those work, right?
Wide slope, 4 red, dead, all white, too high.
Alright, good. But don't use those, okay?
Okay.
That's for instrument. That's about 3 degrees. We want to be higher than that.
Oh, he hasn't cleared us to land yet.
Yeah, he has.
Did he?
Yep, they're touch and go, runway 12. If you're not sure, you can always confirm with them.
Did it really far back?
Okay, you should go back to 1500 now. Alright, use as much power as you need. So if you want to go idle, you go idle. You should probably think about doing that. There you go.
Power idle. Pulling it back. 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 Back.
That was gorgeous. Nice. Okay, flaps up.
So flaps up.
And full power smoothly.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's fine. Keep her straight down the runway.
Roger. And rotate.
Excellent, it worked. That was very well done.
Oh, man.
How are you feeling?
Well, being my first one, I was kind of shitting myself, and then when it happened, I was like, wow, that was good.
I wanted to say don't let the last landing get to you, but I thought maybe that was a bad time to do it on short final.
Yeah. Okay,
nicely done.
so
Very good work. This circuit, though, I want it to be a little bit tighter, okay?
Yes.
So
coming up on 1,000 feet, check my instruments. Green.
oh, 15 degrees angle of bank, watch it.
Sure.
Oh, you're at 30 still. Go to 15. There you go. All right, there's your 90 degrees. Level off.
90 degrees, level off.
Okay, start turning your downwind and pitch the nose down. 15 degrees angle of bank for now. Pitch your nose down to hold 1600.
Power.
Good. We'll trim her out. Level the wings and trim. Okay, downwind check.
Okay, downwind check. Mags both. Master on. Circuit breakers in. Lights. Avionics. Alt air push in. Throttle. Or mixture rich. Fuel selector both. Fuel shut off in, off. And doors, seats and belts secure.
Okay, make the tower call.
So Windsor Tower, Golf Pop Oscar, left downwind 12, touch and go.
Yep.
Windsor Tower, Golf Papa Oscar, left downwind 12, touch and go.
Golf Papa Oscar Tower cleared touch and go, runway 12.
Clear touch and go 12, Golf Papa Oscar.
Okay, look back at the runway. It's 45 degrees off.
Yep.
Pull back to power, 1500 RPM.
Pull back power, 1500 RPM.
Hold your altitude.
And hold altitude.
You want to bleed off that airspeed. Okay, 1 notch of flap and start your turn.
1 notch of flap, start turn.
So 30 degrees angle of bank and pitch the nose up so that you bleed off the rest of the airspeed. You want to hold 70 knots.
Hold.
Alright, don't forget to level out. Good. Alright, trim her out. Good.
And turn.
Very
And-
nice speed control.
And yeah, he said clear touch and go, so.
Yeah.
It's just because he says it's so far back, I guess.
Got a lot to worry about. That's why there's 2 of us in here right now.
Now we're under 80, I'm gonna go flaps 2.
We'll keep it just a little bit longer because it looks like you're too far.
Yep.
So if you put the flaps down, that's going to equal going down faster, right?
Yep.
You're increasing your rate of descent. All right, you can go ahead and dump that second notch of flap. Good. Watch your airspeed. Down, pitch your nose down. Pitch the nose down. Beautiful control.
Power idle.
Bring the power idle, you're not idle.
Start, yep. Up.
Alright, a little bit flat, that's alright.
Yep.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. Power smooth full. Full power. And rotate.
Okay, so you realize how quickly your downwind needs to happen, right? So your downwind check, everything that you do from turning right into your downwind and your downwind check is going to affect your base. Because 30 is such a small runway,
yeah.
Right? 3012. It's actually a massive runway, but the way we're doing it and learning it right now, we just need to speed it up. We need to speed up like the downwind check and everything.
Roger.
15 degrees angle of bank.
Yep.
We're at 25. There, a little bit less. Good. Level out. Level. The wings.
Oh.
Hey, look, you're not 90 degrees.
No.
And what that's doing also is shortening your downwind. Good. Turn your downwind. Trim. Okay, level. You gotta know where to level, right? Just aim for the Chrysler plant.
Roger, so mags both, master on, circuit breakers in, lights, alt air, mixture rich, fuel selector both, fuel shut off on in, autopilot off. With engine instruments green, seats, belts, doors adjust. Call the tower.
Go. No? Yeah, go.
Oh. Windsor Tower, Golf Pop Oscar, left downwind, 12, touch and go.
Golf Papa Oscar Tower, clear touch and go, runway 12.
Clear touch and go, 12, Golf Pop Oscar.
Okay, I'll watch you do this one, okay?
Okay. So start my turn.
You're gonna
power
bring back the power.
1500.
Yeah.
Power 1500 and keep altitude, bleed off airspeed to 70. Start my turn.
1 notch of flap.
1 notch under 110, 1 notch flap. Start my turn, keep my altitude 70. When I get to 70, I'm going to trim.
You can start trimming before that, it will help you through it. Pitch that nose up.
Up.
If the faster you're going here, the more you're going to screw yourself over on the end.
Roger. And start my turn. And we are under 80, second notch flaps this far back.
Yeah, that's fine. You're a little bit high. What you want to do is be half mile back, 500 feet up, right? So right on top of those baseball diamonds, you want to be 500 feet up. And we're coming up on it, and we're coming up the baseball diamonds. Now I need you to control that airspeed a little bit better on final, okay?
Okay, roger. 7. Power idle.
When you feel the time.
Roger. Power idle. Let it touch, don't let it touch. Let it touch, back.
Alright, a little bit flat again, but that's alright.
Yeah, flaps up. Power slowly advance to full. And rotate.
Okay, you have control.
You have control?
I got it. Alright, not bad at all. You need to go through the steps in your head, and you need to study those, okay? You need to start memorizing these because you're getting really close to your solo.
Okay.
And that stuff needs to become second nature to you, okay?
Yep.
Alright, and what we're going to start doing now, I'm going to show you a forced approach, or a glide approach from downwind. And we're going to go from there.
Okay.
Now you got to be very careful with this. You got to have 15 degrees angle of bank. The reason for that is the more, I told you about it, right? The more your bank.
The more you turn, the less lift you have.
Exactly. And if you are doing that at VX,